ground in late November, when the leaves and earth were down, did you think they would remember how you almost made state champ? 'Cause when you're running for the game against Alphonses, and you fell upon the ground and chipped your tooth, oh no, and that really have surprised us, to learn that you weren't really MX missile proof. What it is that you do, 'cause I'm hard pressed to tell just by looking at you, and I'm looking at you 'cause I wanna know what you do. 'Cause when I see the mud on the soles of your shoe, and it gives me a hint and it gives me a clue to what you do in those shoes. Is it a revelation? It's a revelation. Oh, it's a revelation. Those that are judged will say you're aloof, but you know that the truth is a seed. You know what you need is a conflagration. And I see the blood and the bits of your broken tooth. You know what gives me the proof that I need? It's the proof that you bleed. It's a revelation. Oh, it's a revelation. Oh, it's a revelation. You're in the ground in late November, when the leaves and earth were down. Did you think they would remember? No. When you almost made state jail, when you're running for the game against Alphonsus, when you fell upon the ground and chipped your tooth. No, listen, that might really have surprised us, to learn that you won't really am actually so proof. No. You do, 'cause I'm hard pressed to tell just by looking at you. And when I see the mud on the soles of your shoe, and the blood and the bits that you broke into, you know what gives me the proof that you bleed? You know that the truth is a seed. You know what